Hello everyone, I hope you are doing fabulous. Today we are going to walk Schildergasse. Schildergasse is a shopping street in Cologne, Germany, and a lot of people from not just from Cologne, Germany, but just everywhere in Germany would come here to shop. And they say there's about 13,000 people that visits this place every day. I'll also be going in some of the stores so that if you've never been here, you get to experience what it's like, what the actual stores are like. I've seen some of the walking tour videos of the different shopping streets in Europe, but I don't see many that actually went in the store. So come along and join me for this walking tour. That store in front of us is called Reserved. It's a mid-range women's clothing store. And next is Snipes. Snipes is very similar to what's that store? Foot Locker, but I think they're far bigger. They have 3 levels. This particular store has three levels. They carry Adidas, Nikes, Birkenstock, and a whole bunch of other athletic brands. I actually bought a pair of Adidas here. It's called the Astier, and I thought it was cool. You know, in Germany, I gotta buy a pair of German brand shoes, of course. So now we are back outside. As you notice, it's kind of like it's a very walkable street, and all of these establishments around here are retail shops, restaurants, but it's mostly retail shops. And actually, I noticed a lot of the stores are similar to what I would see in the United States, like Zara, Uniqlo, even. Yeah, but for some, here and there will be stores that are distinctly just in Europe. This one here on the right, the Sigwal, I've seen that in the US, so I'm not going in there. And then on our left, you'll see Calzedonia, H&M, and Calzedonia I didn't really know is a European brand. I just remember seeing a store or two in the US, but in Europe, I see them everywhere. For those who don't know, Calzedonia sells women's clothing, specifically leggings. If you're enjoying this video, please remember to click subscribe and like, and comment down below. Let me know if you like this kind of walking tour video, whether you like it if I go in the store or you prefer just walking outside. Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. This brand on the right, On We Go, I don't really know how to read their brand, but they're a mid-range athletic women's athletic store. They kind of like for younger crowd, younger teenagers. Tennis shoes. There's some American brands here as well. Some backpacks. They're more on the casual wear type of line. Now we're back out, and as you can see, there's a Zara. But since we have them in the States, I'm not going in there. Intimacy on the left is also very popular in Europe. I see them everywhere in Belgium and in Germany. They sell women's lingerie Echo, of course, is also popular in the US. We have a few stores. They sell shoes. We're going to enter in Marc O Polo store. It's men and women's clothing wear, more on the middle high range. A piece of clothing might be about $150 and above. When I went in there, it kind of reminds me of Banana Republic, but higher quality and more European style. And the last store that we're going to be visiting today is Peek and Cloppenburg. Peek and Cloppenburg is a large department store. If I was to compare, I think I can compare them to Macy's, but I feel it's a little better. Yeah, there's a lot. I bought a dress here actually. I really like shopping here or in Europe in general, because the sizes are larger. So there's plenty of stylish clothes for size 12 and above. Really nice. Pricing is not that cheap. Like I bought this dress here. Let me see. I believe it was $80. I think it was $80. Yeah, the store is really big. The second floor has the men's clothing, I think, and winter clothing as well, and shoes and whatnot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, please remember to hit like and subscribe, and let me know if you enjoyed watching walking tours that go inside the stores as well. If you do, I'll do more of that. Thank you, and see you next time.